Visio. In this video we will see how to set the stocking levels for min-max on a part within FloorVisio. I'm going to go to the sample fabricated part we've been working with. You'll click on Inventory. You'll click Stocking Levels for this part. You'll type in the minimum you want and the maximum you want on hand, and then click Update Stocking. At any time you can see what your stocking levels are by clicking Inventory. Stocking levels. Now if we run a report of reorder stocked items, we'll see that this now appears and we need to build 100 pieces. Because we only have 0 on hand right now, and there's our minimum of 10. And maximum of 100. So we're gonna build 100 pieces. And that's how you set the min-max on an inventory part within 4.